You did, hon. You just did.
It's going to explode later.
Even she has a screen to put over there.
The screen is
She said it comes out of the screen and gets her.
Feeling nila mayaman at may karapatan silang sabihin sa'yo na padala ka.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning, everything. Kakagising ko lang, guys. 6 something na. What time is it? Oh, 7 o'clock. Kakagising ko lang. Oh my God. Morning, everything family. Say good morning, everything family.
Morning, everything.
Family.
Family. What? We keep changing.
Everything family, because we are one family, everything, and the viewers. We are the everything family. Hi. Misty. Misty. Degrees sa labas, ginaw. Ang ginaw. Good morning, guys. Ang labahan ko kagabi. Hindi ko natapos. Kailangan kong tapusin. Pero I need to drink first. Why is it open up?
I don't know. When I fold it, I break it.
So, kailangan kong uminom ng tubig bago kakain. Yan. Thanks, son. Ang aga nagluto ng breakfast. Usually ako yung nagluluto, pero kapag gusto niya ng iba naman siya. Kasi ako pabalik-balik lang yun na Tommy is tired of eating the bread and rice and egg. When he's tired, he makes something. You know, I have to wait for a while, han. Nakapag-edit na tayo ng maraming video. Marami talaga. Pasensya na, nawala kasi yung ano, oh. Nawala yung ano ng ano ko. Ng ano. Yung babahan ko kagabi, hindi ko nalagay sa ano, dryer. At hindi ko nahang. Ihang-hang na namin sarili natin dito. I'm gonna let in the garotay work. Hala, somebody threw up man in here, oy. Huh? Who did throw up? I know the cat. Because it's a cat grass with the Christmas white stuff. Ay, nako. Hello, guys. So, ngayon, guys, nag-ano lang si Tommy every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, kasi wala siyang trabaho, ang gagawin niya is mag-collect siya ng ayuda sa gobyerno. So, meron pa kaming mga ayuda-ayuda. So, yun. So, kaya kung walang trabaho, hindi namin alam kung kailan ma-stop itong ayuda. Kasi kung walang ayuda, ay naku talaga, walang ayudi. Minsan, itong si Dimples, eat a lot of grass. And then suddenly, she cannot take it. Kailangan niyang isuka. Ganyan yan siya. So, yun yung asawa ko. Nagkulit ng ayuda. May ayuda kami, guys. Ganyan man yun, guys, dito, guys. Pero buti na lang nga, in-extension nila yung ayuda-ayuda nila. Ang daming gamit. Pang laundry, pang floor, gano'n. So, binabacuum ko dun, guys. Kasi plano ko ilagay dito yung ano, yung furniture na kailangan kong pintalan. Magpinta ako sa furniture, pero hindi ngayon. Next year, summer, dahil maginaw na dito sa labas. So, ito siya. I'm going to paint this like the other, right? So, ngayon dahil kailangan siyang pintahan, pangit na, old, pero gamitin ko siya doon sa laundry area. So, ang gagawin ko, yung plano namin noon ni Tommy is lagyan dito ng, sa ibabaw ng washer and dryer, lagyan ng cabinet, and then some cabinet up there, pero hindi namin nagawa kasi hindi pa nga lahat tapos lahat. Parang forever na ganito yung buhay namin. And okay lang yan, basta may bahay, masaya na dapat, di ba? And yun, ang ingay ng dryer. Okay, wala na masyadong kalat. Nandito na sa loob lahat. So, yun. Yan siya. Next year, maging puti na to. Kasi ayaw ko nung mga old na anak. Anyway, tapusin ko lang to dito, guys. And yun. Laba-laba pa more. I'm gonna paint that next year. But this time, it's cold for me to paint. So, I put everything in there. And I don't want you to keep buying because there's a lot of things laundry. What are you looking at me for? Why you give me the look? You did. You did, huh? You just did. What are you doing?
Transferring stuff.
Hi guys, tapos na po ako naglinis sa bathroom. Dito nilinis ko tong bathroom, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman kapag lalaki gumagamit, si Tami gumagamit dito, so lililinis ko siya palagi. And then yung nilagay namin yung Redex na yan kasi para to remind us, guys, yung septic namin once a month, every first week of the month, kailangan namin lagyan ng Redex para yung septic namin hindi mag-overflow. And then magka-problema kami kasi hindi pa namin alam kung saan yung opener para makuha tanan yung dumi, lahat ng dumi. So ngayon, kailangan ng namin lagyan ng Redex kasi hanggang malaman namin kung saan yung opener. And walang makapagsabi sa amin, previous owner, hindi namin makontak, and yung previous builder, yung City Health, hindi, sabi nila wala daw kaming record. Anyari, walang records, wala kaming septic, ganun ba? So yun. So kaya, hopefully, fingers crossed, hindi mag-overflow yung septic namin, kundi malaking problema, laking gastos. So yun. And si Inday Garong tayo naglilinis the whole morning. So ngayon, nalubat siya, bumalik sa bahay niya. Tignan natin kung marami ba siyang nakulik, guys. Look, ang daming buhok na kulikta, oh. Hala. Ang daming nakuliktang buhok. Yan. Anuhin muna natin siya. I-fully charge muna yan and then ibalik natin pa. Ikot-ikot dito bukas. Yung bahay ni Dimples and then Maryann and Hubs. Hi guys, tumawag si Tami sa kung kailan, kung pwede bang magpa-inspection sa car ko ngayon. And yun, tumawag siya doon sa labas. Mag-deep fry ng lumpia na gawa natin the other day. Ito yung una kong gawa na lumpia, guys, na siya, pork. Well, pork naman lahat, diba? Pero next time, guys, ang gagawin ko, guys, pag matapos na ito lahat, kainin namin ni Tami. Hindi naman namin isang araw lang kainin nandun sa freezer. Gusto kong gagawa ng gulay and shrimp. Yung shrimp na yun is kakat ko lang siya. Sabi pa ni Tami, wag ko daw i-food processor kasi maging mush. So, ikakat ko lang siya ng slices, maliit na slice yung shrimp, and then imimix sa gulay. And then baka lagyan ko ng crabs, you know, crabs. And then yun, i-ano natin, ipa-fry. So, next time, yun yung gagawin ko, hindi yung pork, at saka hindi yung, so sabi ni Tami, you can put anything, you know, if it's a roll. It's a roll on. it's a roll. So, sabi ko, okay, next time, gagawa ko ng gulay, shrimp, and iba pang seafood. Pero dapat maraming gulay. Gusto ko siya lagyan ng gulay. Yung ano, togi. Togi ba yun, guys? Gusto ko yan. I-mix yung togi. Lutuin mo yung togi. Yun, with scallops. And then yun, imimix mo siya lahat. And then yun yung ano mo, parang lumpia. Oh my God, ang sarap yun. Gagawin ko lang talaga, guys. I can feel it.
There it is, guys.
I can feel it.
This is my wife's way of trying to not burn herself.
I can feel it.
Because she always burns herself.
Look at this, guys. It's going to explode later.
Even she has a screen to put over there.
The screen is
She
still
said it comes out of the screen and gets her.
The screen is still splashing me. I'm cooking this for you, dear. Hi, dear. Can you put it away, far away from my face? I'm cooking this for my dear husband because he loves my lumpia. Do you like my lumpia?
Yep.
Gumawa ako ng ito. Nakalimutan ko na bumili pala ako nito. Nanonood lang kami ng Kingsman, Secret Service. Hi guys! It's already ready 6 o'clock. Kakain kami and ito yung ilagay namin sa salad. Magsalad-salad lang kami guys. Egg and salad yun. Do you want some meat, Han? He wants some meat. Sausage. He wants some sausage. So ay, gikapoy nako. Gikapoy nako, guys. Gikapoy ko sa sa mga pangyayari. Iwan ko talaga, guys. Yung parang may problema ka dito kasi sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa panahon ngayon. And then yung pamilya sa Pinas is parang nawalan ako ng gana. Ano ba? Nakakadismaya. Yun yung sasabihin ko. Nakakadismaya. Feeling nila mayaman at may karapatan silang sabihin sa'yo na padala ka. Pag hindi ka magpadala, masama ka. Kung may sasabihin ka, sabihin wag na magpadala, magdrama. And then ikaw masama, lahat ikaw masama, ikaw talaga lahat masama. Yun yung nakakaano ngayon sa parang iwan ko, guys. May mga nakikita naman ako mga perpektong pamilya doon sa Pinas, yung parang masaya kung anong maibigay. Iwan ko talaga. I-share ko talaga sa inyo ito, guys, kasi yung parang yung Yung parang hindi ko maintindihan yung sarili ko sa yung lagot. Bakit ganito? Ganun. Bakit ganin yung ano nila?